Deep learning technology is an industry-changing AI innovation focused primarily on the identification and analysis of a series of images. Cognex ViDi suite is the first deep learning-based inspection software designed primarily for factory automation. ViDi combines the capabilities of deep learning technology with Cognex Designer software. The platform has the capability to solve complex vision applications that are too tedious, difficult, or expensive for traditional machine vision. This intuitive approach is capable of handling high levels of deviation and unpredictable defects, thereby outperforming even the best quality inspector. The system learns directly from a series of images to characterize the normal appearance of a part. It applies logic without being programmed to do so, to read characters, inspect, gauge, and sort parts, even if conditions vary. Traditional machine vision operates on predefined checks within an instructional set. ViDi is very different. Take, for example, a complex part assembly on an unfocused background. This would prove quite challenging for traditional machine vision. Deep learning offers us the opportunity to greatly reduce the resources required in terms of initial setup, while also improving the reliability and repeatability of both functional and cosmetic part inspection. Ultimately, ViDi offers end users the opportunity to address complex business process issues